All right, this is the box method. If you just watch the FOIL video, at the end I say it's the box method, but it was actually the FOIL method. I apologize for that. So this is the box method, all right? This one might be the easiest one for you guys. All three versions, the FOIL box stack, they're different. They all get you the same answer. There are different ways of doing these things, so you can pick. Okay, it doesn't matter to me. I just wanted to give you different ways of doing these things. Okay, for the box method, you're not going to use numbers 1 and 2. That was only for stack. So we're going to do numbers 3 and 4 to show you this. So the box method, you're actually going to make a box. All right. So let's make a box. Okay, and you're going to make as many boxes as there are terms. All right. So what you want to do is you want to put, since there are 2 terms in the first one, okay, there's 2 terms in the second one, you want to make a box that is 2 by 2. All right. So 2 squares going across, 2 squares going down. All right. So like a window. All right. Then what you do, you put the first polynomial, put each term above its own column, okay? So 5n over the first column plus 1 over the second column. And then you take the second polynomial and put it over here. So n, 1 term in each row. So n in the first row minus 1 in the second row. So I don't know if you've done Punnett squares in science class, but you just match the square. This is kind of like the multiplication charts, okay? So you have the 5n, let me change to this. You have 5n and then n. You always multiply, okay? So we multiply all this stuff. So 5n times n goes in this box. Wherever those 2 terms meet, that's the box where you put the new answer, all right? And then you have the plus 1 and the n. You multiply those, you get 1n. You kind of see how this works here. Okay, so then you go down here. 5n times negative 1, negative 5n. And then the 1 times negative 1, you got negative 1. So I'm multiplying where they meet and putting that answer in the box that they meet. All right. And then you just, you can combine like terms, all right? All you do is combine the 2 middle ones. And when you write your answer, so you got 5n squared, because that one does not have its own, it doesn't have any other n squareds. And then you have negative 5n plus 1n, negative 4n, and then the minus 1 on the back, and your answer is the same as the other ways of doing this. All right, so let's do number 4. So you make your box. Okay, there are 2 terms in this one, 2 terms in this one, so I'm going to make 2 rows and 2 columns. All right, I'm going to put each term in its own column and row, so 3n and minus 2, that's the first polynomial. 3n minus 3, that's the second polynomial, and then I match them up. So 3n with multiplying, right? 3n times 3n is 9n squared, okay? Remember, when you multiply variables, they get exponents. 3n times negative 2 is negative 6n. 3n times negative 3 is negative 9n. And then negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6, okay? So then all you do is combine the like terms. So 9n squared, you have negative 9n minus 6n minus 15n, and then the plus 6 at the back. All right, you'll notice a pattern, right? Always have the n, always have like an x squared or an n squared or some type of squared term first. You have a number without a variable last, and you combine the 2 middle ones to get this single n. All right. So that is the real box method, not the FOIL. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.